Hi guys, it's Master Coach Tony Morgan, and today's video is on a main Eco Combi. So it's Eco 25, you can see there. So the situation is that the central heating is working okay. You can see the burn lights on, the heating core lights on, demand lights on. But the problem is we're not getting no hot water. So I'm going to run a hot water tap. You'll see the signal come on. So from the tap you can see it switched over. Now the problem is the burn light's not coming on. So you can see that's not a little yellow for the burner. So what I'd like you to do for me is to see if you know what the problem is. So no hot water, no burn light coming on. So if you can let me know what you think what the problem is, why the burn light's not coming on, just drop me a comment below and we'll see if you got it right. So if you want to know what the answer is, you can watch the next video on this boiler to see what the problem is.